It won't even take no charge. Ooh-wee. Go sit with some AC. Yeah, I do need to. I need to make a pass with somebody. I guess let me keep this iPhone charged up then, or both of them be tripped out. iPhone hot too a little bit, but it's taking charge. Damn, it don't seem that hot out here today. Oh, turn down the brightness. That is a good looking out. What a brightness set on her. Hold on, y'all. That was good look. Hold on, let me find the brightness. That's probably what. Okay, I turned that brightness down. That might be what it is. Yeah, I got that. I turned that brightness down. That was good looking out. I don't know why my brain didn't tell myself that. Look out. Huh? Do I got what now?
Anybody on your hit list this weekend?
No, not that I know of. Not that I know of.
Tomorrow, this weekend?
Anybody locked in for, not that I know of. I don't got nobody locked in for tomorrow either.
No, I'm saying, anybody else?
I don't know if Blackjack gonna do something or not.
I know Pretty Tony and
Pretty Tony and Scrapper. That's the only one I know. Yeah, Pretty Tony and Scrapper. Yeah, I'm gonna go with Scrapper. How much? Tony ain't winning no more races. I'm betting.
Now, what you call driving that motherfucker?
Yeah, he driving that thing good, ain't he?
Well, that Mustang running though.
Yeah, that Mustang running. Yeah. I'm bet with Scrapper, man. You want to bet? I give you all. Okay, he with me then.
Hey, look,
huh?
I'm good on things.
You say what now?
You ain't running?
Nah, I ain't really had nobody to run.
I know,
Everybody out of my class.
That hit you made, I don't think they wanted to.
You don't think so?
Nah, that baby, yeah, you got that boy right, bro.
Yeah, nah, I gotta blow a head gasket.
What?
Yeah, I gotta get that head gasket fixed. Yeah, I gotta get that head gasket fixed.
When that weekend you had?
Yeah. It was messed up. I just was driving and checking it out. I ain't never made a pass in the check.
Yeah.
So I was checking it out. You like it? Okay, he like it, y'all.
You talking about he like it, y'all.
Okay, I'm finna go see this Mustang. I'll be back. That motor sound good going down track. Okay, he was trying hard, y'all. He got the mission accomplished. He was trying hard. Look out, 2VJ. Hey, you on my YouTube channel? Look out Racing. Yeah. You want a sticker? Hey, I see y'all got all them stickers. Yeah, look out, look out. I was about to tell him something wrong with this shit, but something.
You knew it.
I don't know what the fuck.
You knew it, bro. You knew something wrong.
Something was wrong, but I couldn't tell. Yeah, dang. Ooh, that battery draining faster now too. I bet you just on 53, now it's on 46. Golly. I need to get about some AC. Cool it off one time and then see. I don't know what's going on. Right lane for the win. Oh. Hey. What's up with it, man? I got them stickers for you, man.
Where's the caprice? I want to try the caprice.
I got the caprice over there, man. I'm gonna have to do something else to that goddamn caprice.